Hello, hope you're doing good. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create landing page in Convertkit. Once on convertkit.com, you can create an account for completely free using your email address. You do not need a credit card or anything like that. By the way, ConvertKit is a beginner-friendly email marketing platform that has been used by hundreds of thousands of creators. You can see some of the creators right here, for example, Neil Patel and numerous other popular creators. So this is definitely a good group that you're joining when you start off using ConvertKit. So once you're on ConvertKit and you have created your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And you can see that we are provided with a 14 days free trial period. Now to get started, you can tap on create your landing page right here. And if you don't see that option, you can go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see grow, and you're going to tap right there. Then from there, you can select landing pages and forms. So we're going to tap on create your landing page. After selecting create your landing page, you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then you are going to tap on create your landing page. After selecting create your landing page, you will be redirected to this dashboard on which you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. You can either filter it by category by going over to the left hand menu option. So for example, let's say we were to select newsletter right here. We could tap on newsletter. Then you'll see the newsletter templates, as you can see right here, that you can choose from. Or if you would like to, for example, select product, you could do that. And you can select product right there. Or you can select product and newsletter, and you can see the different options right here. So once you have found a template that you would like to use, so let's say for example this one, all you'll need to do is tap on choose. Once on the editor page, if you would like to change the image, you can simply tap on the image, and from there you could choose to tap on replace, and you can replace the image quite easily. To edit the rest of your landing page, all you'll need to do is tap on the entire landing page. We can tap on general styles from the top right hand menu option. Then from there you can scroll down and you can edit the heading font style, as you can see right there. You can change the font style. You can also change the font color. If it is a case that you would like to change the background image, you can do that. As you can see, image background right here. You could tap on that, and then from there you could upload your own image that you'd like to use as the background, or you can use copyright free images from Unsplash by tapping on Unsplash from the left hand menu option. Let's say for example I wanted to use this background image. You can see right there that the background image has now changed. And if it is a case that you'd like to edit the text, all you have to do is tap on the current text box right there. After you have done that, from there you can change the text color by tapping on font color from the right hand menu option. And to type out your own text, you can simply start by simply selecting the text box. Then from there you can type in whatever you would want to type in right here. And you can also add different pop-ups or different boxes right here. So you could type out the text or information that you would like to add to your landing page right there. Any section that you would like to edit, all you'll need to do is tap on it with your mouse cursor. Also, if you would like to add another option here instead of just email address and subscribe, you could tap on the plus in between. Then from there you can select whether you would like to add a custom field, or you can tap right here, or you would like to add a tag. So you can see the different options. Let's say for example you like to call it the first name also. You can do that right there, and you can select whether this box is required, so you could tap on required. And you can also scroll down. You can change the font size and also the background color, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on save and then publish, Or if you would like to add another page, you could tap on add page in the top left hand corner. So you could tap on add page right there. From there, you'll be able to set up a thank you page if you want. So we could tap on thank you page so you can see it right here. And from there, you'll be able to edit your thank you page. And this is the page that subscribers will see once they have signed up to your landing page, as you can see right here. So again, you can edit the text. You can also edit each section. You can edit the image right here. You can also change the background image if you want. So once finished, all we'll need to do now, we can tap on preview. After tapping on preview, you can see how it looks right there. So that is the thank you page. To preview how the landing page look, you'll simply select landing page from the top left hand corner. Then from there, you could tap on preview and you can see how it looks right there. If it is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, you are going to tap on publish. So you can see it right here. Once it has been published, you can either choose to share it on Facebook, on Twitter, or you can simply copy your landing page URL right here that you are provided with by Convertkit. So you can see they give us a free URL, or if it is a case that you would like to embed it on a website, you can simply select embed right here, and you'll be able to you'll be able to copy the HTML code and paste it on your website. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You can see how it looks right here. Thanks for watching.